Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 10A, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this phone. The first trick is to enter a secret code. To do it, just open your phone dialer and then provide *pound, 06 pound. And here it is, you've got the whole device information with IMEI and serial numbers included. To exit this panel, just tap on OK, and you can also find those numbers in settings. So let's open the settings at first. Now find and select About Phone, and here go to All Specification. Now click on Status, and here you will be able to read both IMEI numbers here and also serial number under Model and Hardware. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.